All right, so my wife said when she turns on the heat now, there's like a moist, I said moist, funky smell in the air. So let's just see for ourselves on fan. Let's go to window. Let's go to window defrost. Let's go all the way up. Oh yeah, it's smelling a little spicy in here. So what that means, cabin filter. I tell you, that honey-do list just keep growing and growing and growing, but I'll handle it. Alright, so what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. As you've seen from the intro, I have to replace the cabin filter on my wife's 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This one should be fairly easy. Her cabin filter is actually in the glove box. I think some are under the hood. If you don't know what that is, a lot of people don't replace them, which you really should because you're breathing in that air. But it's a filter between the ducts underneath your hood and inside your vehicle, and what that does is it filters the air that you suck in from outside and bring it to your vehicle, heat, all that good stuff. This van has over 40,000 miles on it, and it's almost 3 years old, so it's time for it to change. A lot of people use the recirculation function. I tend to like the fresh air, so does most people, so therefore we replace our cabin filter. So if you have a vehicle, maybe you should look at get your cabin filter looked at and replace it. Very inexpensive to do, 10 bucks or so, and there you go. So with that being said, we're going to go into the man cave and do a little unboxing, the new filter and the tools that I bought to actually do it, and we'll come back and get busy. All right, so this, we have our auto trim removal tool set. So we have, all right, that's gonna work. So this is to prevent any damage to any of the panels in the vehicle. So you use this plastic, or this is metal, but yeah, for the most part, it's plastic. I think 10 bucks for this kit here on Amazon. May have been cheaper, maybe at Harbor Freight or something, but it's no biggie. And here is our cabin filter. Now, I kind of bought this one blindly because what I heard is that there's two different models for the Pacifica. You have the early Pacifica and you have the later 2017 Pacificas. Yes, there's a difference. I believe this was 10 bucks also. So I'm hoping this is the right one. If it's not, we just send this back, run to the parts store and grab one. No biggie. All right, let's get out there and get this in. So now what I'm hoping is that this one is fairly simple. Like I said, hers is in the glove box here after we remove a lot of, oh, okay. We got our trusty lights that we got for Christmas. This should do it. This is actually a pretty cool light. It flexes LED. So if you can, hopefully you can see that. I'm working with the GoPro here, and I don't have a light for it, so I'm hoping you guys can see that. So what we do is, with this little clip here, little tab, pull like that, so we clear. We do the same thing for the other side. I'm working with one hand here, and of course this wants to fight me. All right, we got it. We got it. That really was fighting me. So hopefully this only takes about 10 or 15 minutes or so. Now what we have here is we have this right here holding on the glove box. So we simply remove that. That just stops the glove box from falling all the way down. see that. We just have to unhook it. There we go. And voila, glove box is down. Okay, now the filter is behind this panel. So let me get some light up here. All right, so here's the panel. There's a tab there, and there's one up there, and there's another. Now, okay, we have our screwdriver. Let's turn on some light here. Man, I really hope this light is working out for you guys. All right, so let's just see. That looks like, yep, oh, look at that. And you just, oh, look at that. I'm telling you, it looked like I've done this before. Push that one in, and we push that one in. So the filter is behind this panel right here. So there's two tabs on the side. We just figure out which way they go so we don't break them. You know what? Let's get this panel down, and then we'll go from there. This is where this tool comes in handy right here, because what we can do is we'll come behind this clip like so. See, that pulls that clip down just like that. No damage. We do the same thing on the other side. All right, there we go. All right, so let's try this again. Let's get our light adjusted here. And like I said, there's a clip there, there's a clip there. Now we should be able to push these tabs back, if you can see that, and this whole panel should slide out. Now we have this, whatever this part of the harness, kind of in our way, and I hope we don't have to cut that zip tie. All right, let's give this a try. Falling out already, some crud. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. You guys see that crud on there already? Look at that. That shouldn't be there. We're breathing that in. Wow. Okay, you guys can't see, so let's get the camera up here. Look at that. Look how dirty that is. Alright, so we see if we can get this filter out of here. Pull the filter straight out, and voila. All right, guys, so got the filter out. Check this out. Look how dirty that is. Her hair. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, look at all the leaves and stuff inside. All right, let's grab the new one to match them up and make sure it's the right one, because if not, like I said, we could just run up to the parts store real quick and grab one. Okay, so here's the new one, made by TYC cabin air filter. I don't really care about the brand name, as long as it does its job. So it does pollen bacteria. Let's get this unboxed and let's see what happens. So here's the old one for comparison. So it goes in like that. Okay, it comes with instructions, I guess. Not really, probably just registration form or something. Pick that up. Oh, no, this is instructions. Wow. Okay, look at that. So if you buy one, some of them may come with instructions for you already. So watch this video. You don't need those instructions. Throw those away and just watch switching lanes, switching tips. Now, check them out. They appear to be the same. Hey. Yep, same lane.
Hello. Hello.
Alright, as you can see how clean that one is compared to this one. Big difference. Alright, let's get this one in. Okay, this is something I didn't catch, and please make sure you pay attention to this. As you can see here, airflow down, airflow down. So you have to make sure this is the arrow is facing the right way. That matters. Alright, so obviously, because it is sucking air from outside down into the vehicle, so your arrow should be down. And we just get this back up in that hole here. Okay, so now we got the new filter in there. We just push it right in. So now everything is in reverse now. So we have this panel we have to clean off. Obviously, we don't want to put that dirt back in there. Put the panel back on. Everything is reversed. Everything is back together, except for this. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna read that. But got all her stuff back in there, and let's see. Let's hit the button. All right, let's see. Now we may get some type of smell simply because it is a new filter.
Yeah.
All right, so we just hit climate on. We turn off the recirculation. Kick that up a few notches. But it doesn't have that moist smell anymore. So cool. It doesn't smell as spicy in here anymore. All right, we good. So that was my switching tips, and do it, change it. It took a total of about 15 minutes, this one. That's it, only because my hands are cold too. So 15 minutes, new filter in, and we're done. 2 feet on the ground, make it count. Peace.